Hey there, it's Paul from the growth team at Command Bar. Today I'm going to walk you through the highlights reel of a blog post we've written recently on how to decide on what product metrics framework to use. First of all, let's kind of jump into product metrics framework. I mean, it is just what we use to approach analytics at the company when we're talking about product. So how to use a product metrics framework? First of all, you need some coverage, you need coordination, you need organization, and actionability. If none of these are, being addressed by your PMs, then it's very, very likely that your product framework, however much you want it to work and be implemented, will just be completely forgotten about. So why does it matter? Okay, we want to talk about avoiding these vanity metrics. Product metrics, they matter. It's the it's how we tell what users are using your app, how they're using about it. It's both qualitative and quantitative. Some areas that you want to avoid here that we've listed, some vanity metrics, like the number of users that tried a feature, the number of times a user took action X, or the new users or new waitlist signups. While these sound like a great idea, they're not at all entirely useful. They don't really tell the true story of what our users want, or what their intent is, or how they're feeling about the app and their experiences. They are, again, fun to track, right, and calculate because they're always easy to pull the lever and dial up, but they're not helpful. They don't really tell us, like this, how to acquire more, or what influences growth, or how much traction the product have. There's a great line here. Vanity metrics can be dangerous. They truly can, right? You can just get stuck in them and you will die. So you've got to find your North Star. The North Star is that one golden metric that you are trying to win and serve for. And you have to, once you identify that, it's going to drive the growth of your company. One thing I'm not going to do in this recap, there is such a fun quiz here. It's on what product metrics framework is right for you. We've got a couple of questions. And once you answer the questions, it's going to give you the results down here. So the questions are, what's your business objective? What metrics do you track? How do you describe your customer base? And which of these are the best describes your business? And from there, you will get one of these answers. You'll have the flywheel framework, you'll have the good heart framework, you'll have the pirate metrics framework, and those are your kind of options. So, and then you can read what each of those are. It's really fun. You should go do that. I think you really enjoy it. The other thing I wanted to touch on really quickly is the lagging versus leading indicators. And so some of these metrics aren't going to show up immediately. They are and whereas others will be instantaneous, right? You'll be able to get a really quick read. So be very, very, very careful when you are looking at your metrics on the difference between lagging and leading. Otherwise, it's going to throw you out, and you might make changes to your product that you think is the right move to make. However, you could get caught in a lagging indicator that isn't showing the actual truth of what's really happening. All right. As I said, go into the quiz. It's really fun. You'll get a little bit of insight into, how your world works from a PM's perspective, and you'll be able to understand what to implement from there when it comes to your metrics and your frameworks. All right. Until next time. Bye.